Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Good morning. Golden morning. Diamond morning to the sparkling diamond. I know all of you are happy as much I am happy to meet my family after quite long time now. Looks very long time. Though it is not very long time, because about 5 days before the operation was final, at Amrit Vela time, in Baba's room, Baba told me, child, there is going to be a bhatti for 40 days. I told Sarita, Sucharita, today Baba told me that I am going to be for 40 days bhatti. Which bhatti? And that was the bhatti that became very clear then 10 days isolation before, and then 21 days, 22 days already in the hospital, and then 10 days no isolation again. And I know that everyone is so eager to say hello, Om Shanti, as I am eager also, no? I also, somebody comes, I say, yes, yes, come in. And then sister say, no, Mary especially, no, not allowed. So it's important. Then I thought I'm fine, it's okay, all right. So from a distance it's okay, because it is laws of the government as well, for safety as well. So I said I can meet the family from the stage with each other. And it was with everyone, those who have sent so many greetings from all over the world, not only just from UK, Europe, London. Everyone's good wishes were the gift like. And Baba did his work, magical work, using doctor's hand, touching the instruments. How it became, I don't remember, I don't know that there is any kind of procedure done on this body. I slept. I know the time when doctor himself, Brother Prakash, came morning 8 o'clock. I said, but it's 1 o'clock. He said, no, we would like to have morning, the first one. So 5 minutes I have to get ready and I go. I remember only leaving the room, because in my room I was there, and give him, and came back. So slept and woke up. Nothing feeling, nothing, but only I know, because I had gone specially for the special repairment institute. Very, very practical one. And they would have repaired something. And only after, on third day, when they were dressing, then I understood that the work is done. On this patchwork is done. Otherwise there is no sign of anything. Because it's Baba, the thought that I am going to Dilaram's house. Heart mana dil. Dilaram, the one who gives comfort to everyone's heart. And so I am going to the Dilaram's. And he is the remover of all kind of blockages, bondages, and it was a Murli as well. After that second day was a very special Murli. Baba has come to give the liberation from every kind. And this is a new birth, new consciousness. And also actually, I became angry when doctor came, last meeting before the operation in the hospital itself. They gave the date 13th. I say, oh, nice new life. The nurse, I say, whatever it is, date is fine. New 14th is, then I told my physical birthday is 14. So Baba had to give the new 14th December was birthday. And 14th December is a new life for godly service. And I felt that it is Dilaram Baba where I am getting his Baba's blessings and everyone's blessings. But it was a service place actually, because doctor himself will come every day morning, and with him 2-3 doctors, 1 or 2 nurses, and every time I give blessings. It became a system. Good morning, nurse will come, I am on duty, this is my name, so good morning. And I say, I give you good thought for today. So every time, as many nurses came on the duty, got Baba's blessings. And so it was, for few days, was a very good chance, but good experience as well. How much tension is there. So much tension in the, what is after operation, the emergency night, because I think because 2 days I also had to stay there. People, not only the patient, but even the doctors are in panic. Every moment lights are on and I am just watching the drama. Why Baba has come? He has come to take away, to give power and happiness to the souls and take away the tension, fear. And so then, very good connection, service for doctors and nurse, friendly relationship. And then it was also suggestion of doctor that it is better to stay longer because of separate room, separate place, safety because of corona, COVID. It's good that longer can be in hospital care than there. But home is home, no matter whatever. Though I stay longer according to drama, but when you come back home, you feel home is heaven. Home is happiness. And so I'm very happy to come back home. And that was temporary place for service, but it was actually doing service or being in Dilwala temple so that the service can be given happiness to everyone. So Baba has given a new life, and so certainly, but one message is again and again, that now give rest to the voice. Vani ko viram do. Give rest to the speech. And Baba is saying, now do service through sweetness, through smile, through drishti. Power of silence. The drama forced me to speak less. Because so made me. So this is why. But it is good. Baba is giving us so much already in the Murlis. A bestower of blessings. The Baba, the giver, the donor, Datta, Vidhata, Vardata. What else we need? All his wealth, treasures, powers, inheritance, as being the children of the One. So we are children of Data. Vidhata, he gives a method, how to use, how to become capable, sensible to use this treasure and follow Satguru's Srimat so that you can get the blessings. And so Data, Vidhata and Vardata is also giving today very powerful signal what my state of the mind should be, preparing the self and also preparing others, empowering others. When we are powerful, only then we can give power to others. When we are strong, we can become inspiration for others. But no fear of anything. Today Baba is saying, the whole world, as in the Gita, the whole world is dead. No fear of what is going to happen, but immortality is our birthright. We are eternal images of Baba. So, Baba is giving power, Baba is giving love, Baba is giving happiness, and thanks to everyone, to the whole world, to all the families, those who have actually empowered the atmosphere, that doctors would also have got these vibrations, and Baba worked through them. And also very lovely, very special souls. Because he telephoned Banarsi Bhai, and Banarsi Bhai said, according to drama, credit had to be London. Otherwise we offer in India. And Dr. Prakash said, it's my fortune. It's my fortune that I could serve thee. And this is how Baba practically does his service and gives the feeling of this. Karan Karavanar does his work. So, past is cleared. Now it's time to do different level of service. This is what Baba want to do. Let us see in the drama. Definitely I knew. Thank you. Thank you for Jayanti-Ben giving all the information to everyone. Whole family got time to time very clear news. And I get so many emails. Jayanti-Ben got this. We got this news from Jayanti-Ben. We get this news. So it's a thank you for making everything. Okay. Are we offering bhog together?
Thank you to Sudesh Didi for her courage, her faith, her love, and also her enthusiasm, which, as you see, has multiplied. It hasn't been reduced in any way.